Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to do a flip through of the journal I made for Christmas in July. I'm not going to talk through the flip through, I'm just going to give you the basic information about the journal, and hopefully it'll be a quick video. This is a repurposed Reader's Digest book that is covered in the sticky backed velvet. It is approximately 8.5 by 5.5 with 2 signatures and 60 pages, so a total of 120 front and back. There is a let me move this so you can see. There is a tassel. It comes with a tassel and rusted jingle bells. It's plain on the back. A lot of the ephemera does poke out the top of the journal, and that's just what it looks like. I will mention one item and then I'll start the flip through. This is my favorite embellishment. It is a chuck that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I was able to rust it, and I added it as a tuck spot, and I really enjoy using that. So that's going to be it, and then I'll just flip through and we'll look at the rest of the journal. So that's the journal. It is for sale on my Etsy shop. I would appreciate comments about the journal, and if you liked it just being the flip through, no talking, please let me know that. I do appreciate your time. Thank you very much.